Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update Samsung Galaxy A54 5G software or firmware. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app in your Samsung Galaxy A54. You should say software update available. You can say update to make your Galaxy more powerful and secure. And if you do not have software update available here, you can just scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to software update. Click on that. Then click on download and install software update. Then it should say software update if it's available. Alternatively, you can also go to your device gear. Then on the device gear, you want to scroll down. Under additional gear, it should say software update. Click on that. Then click on download and install. Once you hit that, it should say the available software update for your device. If there is any, then go ahead and click on download. Once you hit the download button, this is going to download the software on your Samsung Galaxy A54, and in this case, this is going to take about 3 minutes or so, depending on the strength of your internet connection. And this particular software says the security of your device has been improved. A software update can include, but not limited to, device stability improvement, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. So your Samsung Galaxy A54 is not going to check for software update for you. So you need to make sure you check for the update regularly. And once you have an update available, just go ahead, download the update. And once download is completed, then go ahead and install the update. Now, once the update is completed, it should say update ready to install. You can now go ahead, tap install now to start installing the software update. But if you're in the middle of something and you want to install your Samsung Galaxy A54 update later, just click on schedule install. Then choose when you want to install the update. So in this case, I'm going to install this update at exactly 7:30 a.m. So just go ahead, choose the time here, and then click on done. Then it should say update will be automatically installed on this day, and then just hit the back button. Now when the time comes, your Samsung Galaxy A54 is going to be updated to the latest variant. So that's exactly how to download and install Samsung Galaxy A54 latest update. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.